Did you know that the air you breathe inside your home is more polluted than outdoor air? Indoor air can be up to 20 times more polluted than outdoor air, and children's rooms are often the most polluted. Many common cleaning products contain various toxic substances that are unfortunately released into the environment. Poor maintenance of appliances, such as boilers and stoves, leads to the release of polluting particles. Even the quality of our sleep depends on the air we breathe during the night. Unfortunately, opening the windows is not the optimal solution. We let in smog and particulates, while at certain times of the year, pollen becomes the main problem for many people. Helty Flow, thanks to its 3 exclusive sensors, continuously monitors the quality of the air you breathe, informs you through the dedicated app, and adjusts its performance for optimal results. It renews the air in your home and office, extracts stale air, and brings in clean, filtered air, recovering 91% of the heat from the outgoing air. Healthy, healthy air in your home.